Hi, Fenway. It's Ms. McBride, your librarian. And if you're watching this, you want to learn how to access Hoopla. Hoopla is both a website and an app, and it's going to be the way that we can access our summer reading books. So before we get started, you want to make sure that you have your library card with you. So you either have a physical library card or you should have the library card number. If you don't have it, send me an email. I'll make sure to send it to you. So I've got my library card and I want to be able to read the summer reading books. So I need to use this app or website called Hoopla. I'm going to show it to you on my computer because that is easier for me to videotape. But you also can download the app if you search on your phone on both the Google App Store and the Apple App Store. You can download Hoopla. So here we are, Hoopla. I'm going to pretend this is my first time using it. So there's a button right here that says Get Started Today. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And it wants you to fill out a little bit of information. So I'm going to have a pretend account for my dinosaur because dinosaurs like to read too. So I'm going to make a pretend account for him. I'm going to put in his email address. So you could use your school email address, your personal email address, whatever you want. And then I have to make a password. So you can just think of whatever you will remember for a password. And then I click agree. So now it needs to figure out like what my library is. And it kind of is nosy and it's like, oh, you're in the Boston area. You want to pick the Boston Public Library. Even though you got the card through Fenway, you were going to use the Boston Public Library. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. And then I'm going to click next. And now it's going to ask me for my library card number. So I've got my library card. I'm going to go ahead and type it in. 9418. Okay. And then a PIN. So the default PIN for all your cards is 1234. So if you don't remember it, I'm telling you it right now, it is 1234. So I've typed in my library card number, I've typed in my PIN, and I'm going to go ahead and click sign me up. So it's going to take a second for it to officially sign us up. Okay. So it gives me a little bit of information. It says, thanks for signing up. If you need help, call this phone number. That's the phone number of the Boston Public Library. They would also be happy to help you. You can also send me an email. All right, so here is what this default screen looks like. Hoopla, you can also borrow movies and ebooks. So I'm going to search. I know the name of the book I want to read is They Called Us Enemy. So I'm using the search bar right up at the top of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and click the little search. And here it is. The very first and only result is for the graphic novel They Called Us Enemy. So if I click on it, it's going to let me read a little bit about what the book is about. So you could read, if you didn't already watch the book talk, read about what the book's about. And then when I'm ready to read it, I'm going to go right here underneath the title of the book, and it says borrow. So I'm going to go click that. And it tells me that after I borrow it, I have 21 days that I can read it. If you don't finish it in 21 days, you can check it out again. So I will hit borrow title. And it's going to just take a second for it to start. And now it gives me a little information about how to navigate and how I can read the book on my computer or on my phone. So now here underneath the book, it says read. So I'll go ahead and click that. It's going to take a minute to load. And here's the book. They Called Us Enemy. So it's really easy to navigate. There's going to be arrows on both the right and left, so I can go backwards and forwards. There we go. I'm reading the book. So then when I'm done with it, what I can do is I can leave the book. I'm going to go back to my Hoopla. So when I want to go back to reading it, I just read it for a little bit. I want to go back to it. Up here at the top of the screen, it says Hoopla, and then next to it, it says My Hoopla. So I'm going to click on My Hoopla, and this is going to show me all the books that I have checked out. So at the top, it's giving me some things that I might be interested in. And then right here, it says currently borrowed. So currently borrowed are all the books that I have checked out. They do have a limit. You can only read 12 books each month. So here's my book. They call this Enemy. So when I decide to come back to it, it's here for me. I can decide to look at another book. I can do March Book 1 by typing in the search bar again, and here's March Book 1. So if I want to read this one, I can do the same thing and click borrow. It will download it, and then I can read it. So this is how you use Hoopla. If you have any questions, if you're having trouble either knowing your library card number, if you're not sure how to use Hoopla, if you can't find the book, just send me an email, bmcbride@fenwayhs.org, and I would be happy to help you. Happy reading!